Hello friends, I hope you're doing well, and here 2024 school admission PSD flare for Photoshop, but these are protected. First you need subscription for access of my all file. Go to sherry.com and get subscription. Payment just one time for lifetime access. Okay, these are PSD you see here, and you can customize your school name or your schedule. Anyone you can change everything. You can change 2024 here, and same thing here. For example, open this one in Photoshop. Image design and background. Here background design image. You can import your image. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Allah Hafiz.